This is Lon Patlele, and this is part 2 of my Programming 1A project. In part 2, I expanded the application developed in part 1 by adding the quick chat messaging functionality. The application still begins with the user registration and login, and the user must successfully log in before they can access the messaging features. This project now contains two more classes, the messages class and the messages test class, and one more class which is from part 1 being the chat app, but this one is updated. The chat app class controls the program flow, and after a successful login, the application displays the message welcome to quick chat and asks the user how many messages they would like to send. The application will then display a menu with three options being send messages, show recently sent messages, and quit. The program will continue running until the user chooses the quit option, and then the messages class contains the functionality required for creating and managing messages. A unique messaging ID is automatically generated for each message, and the application verifies that the message ID does not exceed more than 10 characters. The check recipient cell method validates the recipient's cell phone number, and it shows that it contains the South African International Code. The validate message length method checks whether the message contains more than 250 characters, and if the message is too long, the system will inform the user by how many characters the limit has been exceeded. The create message hash method automatically generates a message hash using the first two digits of the message ID, the message number, and the first and last words of the message. The hash is displayed in uppercase, and then the send message method allows the user to choose one of three options being send, disregard, and store message. If the user chooses the send message, the system will be added to the list of sent messages, and the total number of messages sent will be increased. If the user chooses the disregard message, the system will display press 0 to delete, and if the user chooses store message, the system will display message successfully stored. The print messages method displays all messages sent while the program is running, and the return total messages method returns the total number of messages sent. And then the messages test class contains unit tests that verifies the recipient's cell phone format, the message length, message ID, message sending functionality, message storage functionality, message disregard functionality, and message hash generation. And then in part 2 I'll be showing you how the program works.